Belhaven now in Beaufort County, where farmers are scouting their crops after a couple of days of cold weather and the sighting of stripe rust on wheat plants.
This stripe rust develops with cooler temperatures like we've seen the last couple of days and is much more aggressive at damaging those crops. 9 on your side's Suppes talked with local farmers and experts today about how to protect your crops with these changing spring conditions.
The pathogen, the rust pathogen, actually overwinters down south of us, and the spores will blow in and land on these leaves, and you will often see where they land, then they proliferate and cause the lesion that the farmers would see, and that's what causes us to have to treat for the disease.
Stripe rust, a crop-killing disease common in the south, now here in eastern North Carolina.
The wind will pick these spores up where they're being released down south and just deposit them all over the place. The last known documented case of stripe rust this year so far was in Georgia. So we were a little shocked when we found it all the way up here in Belhaven.
Different from the common leaf rust we see here with warmer temperatures, stripe rust thrives in cooler weather and kills the leaves on these wheat plants. And fewer leaves means less plant development, making yields not as good.
Much like we're having today, the kind of weather and the kind of temperatures we're having today, and for the next few days, and that's what makes this so concerning. The fact that we found stripe rust, it's way more aggressive as a disease, certainly when we compare it to leaf rust. When you see stripe rust, most farmers become very excited about it because it can proliferate and spread so quickly that it will take the yield potential out of this crop extremely fast.
To solve the problem, you need to spot it and spray it.
The growers are scouting their crops pretty regularly. We're telling them to be on the lookout for stripe rust. So get down in the canopy and look really close. Just like if it's weeds, you use a herbicide on the weed to kill the weed. Here we're going to use a pesticide called a fungicide to kill the pathogen and to protect the plants from further infection.
In Belhaven, I'm Suppes, 9 on your side.